Question 6. The number of arrangements of the letters of the word independence in which all the vowels always occur together. The four options given. The given word independence. The total number of letters 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. N equal to 12. Total number of letters. Here vowels I and 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 E. The arrangement of vowels, internal arrangement of vowels. And 5 factorial, overall 5 letters, and 4 identical letters, 4 factorial in the denominator. This is 5. The remaining letters (12 minus 5) is 7 letters. What are these 7 letters? D and 2 times, E already 4 times, P 1 time, next to P, N 1, 2, 3, 3 times. So 3 plus 3, 1 more, and C 1 time. Okay, and including the vowels group, as a single letter, why should we take the group of vowels as a single letter? Means vowels are taken together. Vowels are taken together. So overall, the different groups including vowels along with the 7 letters, 8. So 8 factorial. Because of 2D, 2 factorial, and 3N, so 3 factorial. And the internal arrangement of vowels, 5 factorial by 5 into 5. So we should simplify 8 factorial, 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 factorial over 3 factorial into 2 factorial into 5. So 3 factorial can be cancelled. The 2 factorial and 4, this is 2. 2 into 5, 10. And total arrangement 8 into 7, 7 into, so 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 2, 6 into 5 and one more 5, 5 into 2, 10. Eight into 7, 56. 6 into 5, 30. We multiply these two. 6 into 0, 5 into 0, cross multiplication. 3 into 6, 18. 5 into 3, 15 plus 1, 16. So 1680 into 10. The total number of arrangements 16800. We look at the option 16800 and third option is the correct answer. Question 7. The number of ways in which 5 girls and 7 boys can be seated at a round table so that no 2 girls sit together. If we look at the condition, we have to arrange 7 boys first so that we can avoid sitting 2 girls together. Then we have to arrange girls between and 2 boys so that 2 girls cannot sit together. So this is the way. First we have to arrange 7 boys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is B1, B2, B3, B4, B5, B6, B7. So in between, this for girls, how many possibilities? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 possibilities. Out of 7 possibilities, and we have to select 5 seats alone for 5 girls. As a first step, 7 boys can be seated. In circular arrangement. In 7 minus 1 factorial. This is based on the theorem. This is not linear arrangement. Circular arrangement means n minus 1 factorial or n factorial by n. N factorial by n minus 1 factorial. This is 6 factorial. This could be written to get the answer in terms of 720 something else. So this can be written 6 factorial, 6 into 5 factorial. For the remaining 7 places, 5 girls have to be rearranged. So the number of such arrangement seven P5 permutation. 7P5 using properties 7C5 into 5 factorial. And using properties 7C5 is nothing but 7C2. Since NCR is using complementary property NC N minus R. So 7C2 is 21. 7C2 is 7 into 6 by 2 into 1. So 1 time, 3 times 21. So 21 into 5 factorial. The total number of arrangements by multiplication principle we have to multiply. So 21 into 5 factorial into 6 into 5 factorial will give 21 into 6 126, 5 factorial the whole square. 5 factorial is nothing but 120 or 120 square 144 into 100. Then we can give one large number. If you look at the option, this option is available 126 into 5 factorial whole square. So we need not expand. We can log the answer. Option 1 is the correct answer. Question 8. If the coefficients of 3 consecutive terms in the expansion of 1 plus x whole power n or in the ratio 1:5 is to 20, then the coefficients of the fourth term, 4 options given. What is the expansion of the binomial to the index n 1 plus x whole power n nc naught, that is 1, plus nc1 x plus nc2 x square plus nc3 x cube plus ncr, the last one, ncr x power r is coefficient of x power r. At last ncn and x power n. This is actually expansion of binomial to the index n. N is a positive integer, z plus. Okay, let us take 3 consecutive terms, 3 consecutive binomial coefficient, 3 consecutive binomial coefficient. NCR minus 1, NCR and NCR plus 1. 3 consecutive binomial coefficient from the expansion. Okay. We can apply the given data. The ratio is 1:5:20. So n plus, let us take NCR, so divided by NCR minus 1. From the data, the ratio is 5:1. Using properties on expansion, the difference of n and r minus 1 in the numerator, n minus r plus 1. The suffix r will be in the denominator. This is fundamental derivation using the properties. Then n minus r plus 1 is equal to 5r. So n minus 6r is equal to minus 1. Let the result is taken as 1. And one more ratio we can take it, NCR plus 1 by NCR. From the data, the 20:5 is nothing but 4. Then the numerator, the difference between n and r, that is NCR, we have to take n minus r. The denominator, the suffix of the numerator r plus 1 is a fundamental simplification. 20/5 is nothing but 4. So n 4r, here one more r, minus 5r is equal to 4. So n, okay, minus r. If we take 4r, if we bring 4r to the left side minus 5r, we can retain 4 on the right side. We have to solve these two. So 2 minus 1 gives r equal to 5. R equal to 5. And n equal to minus 1 plus 6r. 6 into 5 or n minus r equal to 5 means 30 is equal to minus 1. Then this implies n equal to 29. We'll check the calculation once again. N minus r plus 1 or then n minus 5r equal to minus 1 is correct. And here n minus r in the numerator, r plus 1 in the denominator, 20/5 is 4. After cross multiplication, n minus 5r equal to 4. So 2 minus 1, r equal to 5. Taking r equal to 5 in the first result, n minus 6 into 5, 30 is equal to minus 1, n equal to 29. What is the question? The coefficient of fourth term. The coefficient of fourth term coefficient of first term NC naught, second term NC1, third term NC3, fourth term NC3. NC3, then N is nothing but 29, 29C3. On simplification, 29C3, 29 into 28 into 27 by 3 into 2 into 1. So 3 times 1 time 3, 9 time, 1 time 14 time. So 29, 14, 4 into 9, 36, 8 plus 9, 17. This cross multiplication, 8 plus 9, 17 plus 3, 20. Then 2 into 1, 2, 4. So 29 into 14, 406. 406 into 9. So 6, 9 into 6, 54. Then 54. 9 into 4, 36. So 3654. 3654. So this is coefficient of fourth term. If you look at the option 3654, option 2 is the correct answer. Question 9. Let S suffix k, it is defined 1 plus 2, 3 plus 4, 5 up to k, so divided by k, and the summation of Sj square, j varies from 1 to n, one expression given, n by a into b n square plus cn plus d, where a, b, c, d are natural number, a should be the least value. Then we have to test the 4 option, which option is satisfied by the 5 numbers a, b, c, d. Here a is 4 numbers, a is least value. Okay. A normal question. What is given? S suffix k, 1 plus 2 up to k, so divided by k. Then 1 to k is k into k plus 1 by 2, k cancels, so k plus 1 by 2. Then summation j equal to 1 to n s j square, s1 square, 1 plus 1, that is j plus 1, j equal to 1, sk equal to k plus 1 means this summation j equal to 1 to n j plus 1 by 2 the whole square. So we can take 1 by 2 the whole square common. Then first term 2 square, continue 3 square, 4 square up to n plus 1 square. To apply fundamental formula, we need some adjustment, plus 1 minus 1. This is very important. Then 1 by 4, including 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n plus 1 whole square, one group, minus 1. From the fundamental formula is 1 by 4, 1 square plus 2 square plus 3 square up to n plus 1 square. If the last term n means n into n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 over 6. Here every n should be replaced by n plus 1. So first factor n plus 1, second factor n plus 2, third factor 2n plus 3. Then minus 1 separately by 6. So we have to simplify the whole thing. So 1 by 4 n square plus 2 plus 1 3n plus 2 into 1 into 2n plus 3 by 6 minus 1 is 1 by 4 n square into 2n cube n square into 3n square 3n into 2n 6n square 3n into 3 9n 2 into 2n 4n 2 into 3 6. The plus 6 we take LCM, minus 6 cancel. So 2, what are the terms remaining? 2n cube plus 3n square 6n square 9n square 9 plus 4 13n and minus 6 and plus 6 cancel. So divided by 6. Here the coefficient 2, 9, 13 are co-prime number. There is no common factor. Then if we take n common factor outside, n by 6 into 4 24 2n square plus 9n plus 13. Comparing the given result, this should be equal to n by a bn square plus cn plus d. Then this implies the least value of a is 24, a is 24, b is 2, c is 9, and d is 13. If we look at the first option, then a plus b plus c plus d, 24 plus 2 26, 26 plus 9 and 35, 35 plus 13 48 is not divisible by 5. So the option 1 is ruled out. Then second option, a plus b 26 and d 13. So a plus b is divisible by 13, is divisible by and D. So out of 4 options, this is not multiple option type question, single answer out of 4 options. So we have to accept A plus B is divisible by D mean. A plus B is divisible by D mean. We can lock option 2. Option 2 is the correct answer. Question 10. A limit x approaches 0, 1 minus cos square 3x by cos cube 4x, sin cube 4x by log of 2x plus 1 whole power 5 is equal to, we have to select one among the 4 options. So very normal question. A limit x approaches 0, the 1 minus cos square 3x is sin square 3x, sin cube 4x into 1 by log of 2x plus 1 whole power 5 into 1 by cos cube 3x 4x, cos cube 4x. We'll rearrange like this, is equal to limit x approaches 0. To apply the sandwich theorem result, the sin square 3x should be divided by 3x whole square. So sin 3x by 3x the whole square, sin 4x by 4x whole power 3, then 3 square 9, 4 power 3 64, x power 5 over log 2x plus 1 whole power 5 into 1 by cos cube 4x. Okay, we can do this kind of grouping overall. Then limit x approaches 0, sin 3x by 3x whole square, 1 square, it will be 1, sin 3x by 3x whole cube, 9 into 2, 18 into 2x by log of and 2x plus 1, only 2 whole power 5 into 1 by cos cube 4x. If we take limit factor wise, the limit of the first factor is 1 square, limit of the second factor 1 cube into 18, the limit of, this is reciprocal of limit x approaches 0, log of ax plus 1 by ax is equal to 1, or log of ax plus 1 by x alone mean equal to a. So this is fundamental theorem. So the reciprocal of this, this one is the reciprocal of log of 2x plus 1 by the a is nothing but 2. And x power 3, that is 2x, this is x power 5, 2x. So this 2x should come. Okay. So 18. What is the limit of and 2x by log of 2x plus 1? 1 power 5. 1. Then cos cube 0. Cos 0 equal to 1. So this implies the final limit equal to 18. 18 should be the correct answer. The third option is the correct one. Make note of this. And what are the other? Limit x approaches 0, sin ax by ax whole power n equal to 1. So we have applied the two results here, and cos 0 straight away 1. So final answer 18.